Well, hello there, Houlihan Garbage Disposal Nation. Welcome back to the head kitchen here on Gilligan's Island. My name is Taco Papa Meatball Mozzarella Man, and today we are going to be cooking up something special here in this kitchen with the Mrs. Bears, who is over here taking a snooze. Bears, I got a little treat for you. Here you go. Have a little treat. But that's just a warm-up. Just a simple warm-up for what we're going to be eating today. I hope you're ready. Hang on, Bears, what is the matter with you? Are you okay? Why are you doing that? So what the Bales and I are going to be cooking up today is this lovely, beautiful... Bales, where are you going? We're going to be cooking up this steak, Bales. What do you think? Does it smell good? We're going to get it cooking soon, but first, we got to let it sit for 20 minutes. What I'm going to be using is the Casty Boy. And then we're also going to be whipping out an onion, some garlic, some rosemary. By the way, this freaking rosemary is so weird. Like, why do they have to do this? Is this actually beneficial? I mean, I guess it's probably pretty beneficial just because it keeps it fresh, but I don't know, it's kind of weird. All right, the dirt's gone. Now we just gotta rinse this off, and that should be ready to go for later. And now we are gonna be cutting up our onion. By the way, Bells, if I'm gonna be crying, you're gonna be crying with me. All right, check it out. Look at that. That actually worked out way better than I expected. What do you think? Wait, you still can't have any. You can't have onions. Dogs can't have onions. Okay, actually, this is just a test. If you were given the opportunity to eat an onion, would you? No? Good girl. Now, aside from the onion, I'm also going to take some garlic and I'm going to chop it up into some small pieces. I'm pretty sure this garlic already started sprouting, which means it's growing into a tree. But, I mean, so is this, so it should be all right. All right, so it's been over 20 minutes that this has been thawing out. What do you think, Bez? Is it ready? Is it ready to cook? The Bez knows. She knows she's not supposed to eat it yet. That's a good girl, Bez. You're so smart. You're so very smart. I'm proud of you. So what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna get some salt and I'm gonna salt this bad boy up. I'm gonna grab some pepper and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. And now that it's all peppered up, I'm gonna basically just kind of pat the pepper into the meat. Get it all nice and in there, and I'm gonna repeat on this side. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the burner onto medium-high heat, and we're gonna coat the bottom of the pan with some oil. Now at this point, what you have to do is you just have to wait for the pan to get up to heat. So meanwhile, what you can do is you can snag a beer out of the fridge, and then you just poke a hole in the bottom like this. Put your mouth up to that hole, open the can, and just chug. Okay, maybe not as fast as I did. I did, however, finish. It was pretty awesome, but I got a lot of bubbles. Oh, freaking hurt. All right, now as you can see, the pan is smoking. It's ready to go. So we're gonna take the steak and we're just gonna, as best we can, fit it on there like that. Now, while that's cooking, I'm gonna quickly open up this Mountain Dew Baja Blast, and it's gonna help the beer settle down. I'm gonna toss some butter in the pan. Ow! Don't do it like that, because it'll splash back and hit you. I wanna make sure to lift the steak up, let the butter get all down inside there, underneath. And then from here, I'm gonna try not to let it splash me, and I'm gonna add in my onions. I'm also gonna add in that lovely garlic flavoring. All right, now from here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the pan sideways, and we are going to start scooping up some of this butter and pouring it on top of the meat. What that's gonna do is it's gonna get all the juices flowing through the meat, and it's gonna start cooking the top. From here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clear out some space, and I'm going to very carefully flip this bad boy over. And the other side is going to begin to cook. And throughout this entire process, I'm going to continue to remember to take sips of my Baja Blast. It's very important. Now while that's going on, I'm going to put this pot right here, and we're going to get that cooking, because we can't just eat the steak alone. We got to make some mashed potatoes. Of course, I'm going to offend people by making a nice steak and making some quick mashed potatoes, but I mean, we got to focus on the steak, man. I can't multitask, right, Bells? Can you multitask? She's like, dude, I'm sleeping and that thing is loud, and I'm not coming anywhere near it. All right, fine. I'll put your bed back over here. You win. Get in your bed. It's a very good girl. Almost done, Biz. Almost time to eat. Once it gets to the point where it's nice and crispy on the outside, I like to take it off. If you really want to, you can grab your meat thermometer. Where is it? Meat thermometer. Oh, meat thermometer. Where did you? Oh, there you are. Oh, I'm getting burned. I'm getting burned. You can stick your old meat thermometer in and ensure that it is cooked. Mine says it's medium. And time to remove the beast. And now, all you have to do is you just
let them rest.
Make sure you don't
wrap it in foil. Don't cover it. Don't poke it. Don't prod it. Don't even look at it. Just let it sit there. Leave it alone.
The Bess was a big Anthony Bourdain fan. Anytime I bring up any Anthony Bourdain quotes, she sheds a tear or three. Mwah. It's okay though, Bears. It's okay. Mwah. All right. Well, I'm really tempted. I mean, it hasn't been enough time yet. Like I'm not supposed to look at it, but I'm just so tempted. Look, it's right there. Don't you just want to look at it? I can't despise Anthony Bourdain's rules. I have to just hang out over here. And we're gonna hang out inside of my blinds. So basically, you see this little line right here? Like this is the other side of the blinds. This is this side. We're gonna hang out inside of here. It's pretty fun in here. Wow, I should do this more often. Oh, what the stupid? What the idiot? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I forgot to put these on. I'm so dumb. Here is the final dish. Bells, unfortunately, she can't have most of this dish because she's allergic to a lot of things. So what we got for the Bales is we have her lovely salmon souffle with a delicious piece of cooked chicken on the top. Her favorite thing, and it's something that she's not allergic to. So, without any further ado, no, because she was going for mine. No, but here, here, get yours. She's like, dude, I want this one. Bales, come on, hey, here. You can't have onions. There's onions in here, Bales. Go get it, go. She's like, dude, no. Come on, Bales. Hey, here you go, go get it, here. She's not even caring about it. Bales, no, oh my God. Here. I've been getting a lot of requests to do another Cooking with Kleb and Bales video, and so I felt like I had to satisfy everybody's needs and get another video out there. Now I was looking through the viewfinder while I was actually filming the steak, and it looked kind of gross. It looked really dry, really overcooked, but when I put it in the light, you could tell that it wasn't. It wasn't overcooked. What do you think, Bales? Oh wait, you couldn't have any because there was onions involved. Poor Bales, but I know that you like your chicken because you gobbled it down like a wildebeest. Anyways, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of this style of video, some more Cooking with the Kleb and Bales, let me know. Oh, the Bales is stretching. The Bales says, I'm ready to go potty. Well, guess what, Bales? Hey, can you come here? Can you sit? I got a very important question for you. Hey, do you want to go... You want to go potty? You want to go potty? Okay, go. Go, boys, go. Go, boys, go. All right, I gotta take Bess for a walk. We got a lot of cleaning up to do, but I wanna thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the puppy next one.